nag-utos at nagpaslang kay Mima Alicia. Opo, tama po yan. Totoo po yan.
Sa pagpatay sa vlogger po sa Caloocan City, kagaya po ng sinabi niya, most probably ay ito po'y miyembro ng sindikato or inupahan ng isang sindikato para po ipapaslang o ipapatay si vlogger.
Grabe, inupahan ng sindikato para ipapatay si Mima Alicia. Ibang klase.
Natin si alias Mima, known as Mima. So, we are hot on their tracks. Sinusundan pa po natin. Hanggang ngayon, nasa hot pursuit operations pa po tayo. But also, we are already readying the case to be filed against these two. Yung pong dalawang na-identify na natin na mga...
Ayan, dalawa na na-identify. Ano po? For sure yan, kung natitiktikan at nararamdaman naman nila na sila na yon, panigurado yan, kahit anong tago at iwas nila, kung saan man sila pumunta, for sure may mga nakasunod na din po dyan, mga bossing. Ma'am Brenda Barton, Boss Mark, andito ka sa US, Miami Beach, bisita ka sa Virginia Beach. Hindi, ano kami, yung kasunod na, kasunod na, nasa Florida din, pero yung kasunod na lugar ninyo, pataas.
Salarin. At pinoprofile na rin po natin sila kung ano po ang kanilang mga nagawa noon. Yung isa po ay meron na pong patong-patong na kaso. So, everything will be given. We cannot give specific details as of now as to para hindi po makompromise ang ating operations as well as the safety ng ating mga personnel at ng publiko. Pero ibibigay po namin sa inyo lahat once we have completed the investigation and the police operations.
Sir, how were you able to identify those two, sir? Sa backtracking ba? May testimonial?
Yes, kagaya na po. Of course, yung honest to goodness police work na investigation, backtracking, forward tracking, as well as yung talking to witnesses, gathering of evidence. Lahat po ito pinagsama-sama natin until such time na identify nga po natin kung sino mismo yung mga gumawa.
Sir, so kung nag-hire po ng sindikato, lumalayo na po ba tayo dun sa personal lang siya na alitan? Dahil kailangan pa po mag-hire ng grupo.
Again, alam niyo sa pag-iimbestiga po natin, wala nga tayong sinasarang ano. We do not want na kasi pag naunahan mong makapag-form ng theory or ang tingin mo kung anong nangyari, sometimes, pag may nakukuha ka ebidensya, you tend to fit it to yung naisip mo ng theory. What we want to do sa investigation, the proper thing to do is you get the evidence, you get the proof, and then you form your hypothesis kung ano po ang nangyari based on the proof na nakukuha mo, not the other way around.
Mapopokus ka na doon sa kung ano yung iniisip mo agad Ano po? Yan. Yung follow-up report po dyan kay Mima Alicia. Ngayon po mga kababayan, Romecta, pumunta na po tayo doon sa impeachment, no? At yung unang pagharap po ni Director Matibag, mga bossing, Chief Amo Sir, sa impeachment ng ating Vice Presidente po, mga kababayan. Game, nasa na ba yan? Nagkakainitan dito si Melvin Matibag at saka yung lawyer ng depensa na si Binluan. Panoorin at pakinggan po natin. Asan ba ito?
My next question is, but the court did not issue a subpoena for you to appear today.
Oh. Well, wait. Ano ibig niya sabihin doon? Ang korte ay hindi nag-issue ng subpoena para ikaw ay pumunta dito ngayon. Kumbaga parang natatakot kayo kay Matibag doon sa pagdating niya. Hindi na lang kayo rumekta doon sa mga talagang malalakas na mga tanong. No, parang pansin ko mga boss Chief Amo Sir, inilalayo nila talaga yung mga kanilang mga tanong doon po sa yung video. Yung video, ito na yung pag-usapan agad natin. Pero parang nilalayo nila yung mga tanong sa pamamagitan ng, na-issuean po ba kayo ng subpoena kung bakit po kayo nandito? O ganito, ganyan. No?
Actually, are you saying that you receive a subpoena despite this honorable court not issuing a subpoena for you?
Even if there's no subpoena in the pre-trial order, I was mentioned to be a witness. and I was invited by the prosecution to be a witness. And from my understanding, in the pre-trial order, I was also listed by the defense. I will be gladly witness for the defense as well if I will be called upon.
All right, but which is which? Are you appearing today by virtue of a subpoena or without a subpoena?
I'm appearing today as a witness as called upon and announced by the Honorable Court and by the invitation also of the
Napapansin niyo po, mga kababayan, kung saan lang yung mga tanong, kung saan lang po gustong mapunta yung pag-uusapan. Pagpapatagal, paglilito, paglalayo doon sa tunay na dapat pag-usapan po. Ano? Alam naman na ito pong si Director Matibag ay talagang kasama sa witness. Nung isang linggo, siya ay nakikiusap kung maaari na imbis na sa 21, siya pupunta diyan sa hearing, baka pwedeng agahan. Kasi nga, meron siyang meron siyang meeting kasama po yung doon sa matataas na opisyal ng FBI dito po sa Bangkok, Thailand. Di ba? Rektahin na. Sasayang. Magkano? 25 milyones po ang pondo. Na 25 milyones ang ginagastos po sa Senado per day, mga bossing. Tapos yung mga ganito lang. Yung malayo doon sa dapat pag-usapan.
No, that's not my question, Director Matibag. You're a lawyer, you know this. Are you appearing today by virtue of a subpoena or no subpoena?
There's no written subpoena, but there is a verbal announcement from the Honorable Court that I will be a witness in today's hearing.
Your Honor, the question of the defense is misleading. It is apparent that last week a subpoena was issued to the witness, Your Honor, and it is because of the other matters that was heard and addressed by the impeachment court. The schedule of the witness was scheduled to today.
Your Honor,
The objection is overruled. First, asked and answered, and for the record and information of the senator judges, the presiding officer confirms that no subpoena was issued to Director Matibag. In fact, I asked if one was needed, and the response I got was that it was not necessary. But indeed, the chair also confirms that the name of Director Matibag
Kasi nga, di ba, witness na talaga siya. Di ba? Nakasulat, nakatala yung pangalan niya bilang witness. At tayo po, alam natin, mga kababayan, na 21 ng Hulyo, siya mag-a-appear talaga diyan sa Senado para po tumestigo, para po mag-witness.
was requested to be invited by the by the prosecutors, and he was so named by the presiding officer to attend in, I believe, yesterday, supposedly, and today's trial dates. Move on, counsel.